tasty tune. Okay, so AlanisMorissette, You Oughta Know. Before we crack into this 4-chord song, just really quickly, again, you're here on YouTube, thank you for stopping by. Please, if you can, cue pillow. Oh, we nearly. Please subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. That was cutting it fine. Here, saves on the editing. Charlotte, are you going to catch it? She's dropped it. Did you hear a laugh on camera? That's funny. Oh, and I think a knee just cracked as well. We're trying not to laugh. So, capo 2, E minor and A. With this rhythm, down, down, up, down, down. I want you to know. This is your verse. I'm happy for you. Goes again. I wish nothing but the best for you both. Now it goes again. I know the rhythm in me, but you want to try and keep it going with a bit more attitude. But it's still the same 2 chords. Now that repeats a few more times. I'm going to take you through the chorus now. So you need E major and D, straight 8s, G, A. Goes again. It's not fair. D chord, G chord, and stop. Oughta know. Now that's the song, okay? It's a 4-chord song, rhythm 1 in the verse, but you have to sort of build it and layer it, and you hear that in the record as well, that it tends to do that. And then in the chorus, straight 8s. What I mean by that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all on the beat, okay? E minor and A in the verse, chorus, E, D, G and A. I've got a sheet below if you want it. Hit the link. You can email me, you can text me on WhatsApp, okay? And I will send it to you for free, including my 2 books. Just ask, okay? This is one of my other quick fire lessons. Don't forget capo 2. Yes, it's bar chords, but I know what you're thinking. No time for bar chords today. Let's capo it up, bro.